Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the last video we went over how to enable clips within chat. If you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and hit the eye up there and go to check out that video. It tells you how you go in chat and take clips right from your chat. Alright, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you set up clips with your Elgato Stream Deck. So right now we're under settings with Kickbot, and basically what you're going to do here is just come down here where it says Stream Deck, clip and perform moderation actions from Stream Deck, learn more or download the plugin. So basically you're just going to go ahead and hit the download button right here. It's going to take you to another page and where you're going to go ahead and install it right from the Elgato App Store. And you're just going to go ahead and hit open. And you're going to go ahead and also hit install. So then this will go ahead and install it straight onto your Stream Deck, and then you're just going to come over here to the panel, and then you're going to see Kickbot. Create clip, you can clear your chat or you can send messages. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and hit create clip. So then it's going to want me to title it. I will leave it as is, and it's going to want my Kickbot key. So basically what you're going to do is minimize this, go back to the Kickbot settings. You're going to go ahead and hit the little copy API key. And don't show it, just never show the API key to anyone. Come over here, your Stream Deck again. You're going to put the Kickbot API key right here. You're going to leave it as is. It'll just show a little check mark. And then you're going to select what length you want, clip length. Again, as I said in my previous video, if you've not seen it, go ahead and go check it out. You have about 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and I believe 120 seconds. I may be wrong about the 120 second part, but you're able to pick the amount of time length you want to have your clip saved as. So for me, I'm going to leave it at 30 seconds for right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. And that's really it. That's all you have to do to set up the Kickbot clip right from the Elgato Stream Deck.